Brazil here from ZFind, and I'm super excited to announce our ZFind co-host marketplace, where co-hosts themselves can actually connect with property owners directly that are dropped as new opportunities into the marketplace. So let's just say you're a co-host and you're looking for new opportunities, you're looking for new business, and you are having a hard time finding properties, but you don't want to use ZFind directly. You can actually come to the co-host marketplace and you'll see new opportunities maybe every single day, every single week, where we're dropping property owners that have specifically told us that they are interested in either co-hosting a shorter lease period or working with corporate housing companies, temporary housing companies, things like that. So these are strictly opportunities that you can just join in on and directly get access to these property owners. So all you'll simply do is come into the co-host marketplace, you'll sign up and your information into the co-host marketplace. You can use the same exact information that you used when you got your login access for ZFind, and you'll simply have access to this marketplace. Now, the cool part about it is you'll see the property owner's information in here. You'll see what they have expressed as far as what their needs are and what they're looking for. But you'll also be able to click on the actual city and it'll take you directly to ZFind. So on ZFind, you'll be able to see additional information about that property. You'll be able to see any information. You'll be able to see even more pictures of the property. So you can actually scroll through. You can, see more pictures based off of whatever you're looking for, things like that. And then you can see the address. You can see more details around the rent, whatever the case may be. And of course, you can see if they are actually open to co-hosting based off their entry that they put in the platform. So if you're actually interested in this property, what you can do is essentially claim the listing and our team will connect you with the property owner through that aspect channel. But at the end of the day, you have their actual information in the co-host marketplace. So you can go ahead and reach out to them directly based off of, seeing their information in here. So like I said, this is our newest launch for ZFind co-host marketplace. And I'm super excited to introduce this to more of our members and excited to help new co-hosts get better opportunities and not have to depend on, groups on Facebook and things like that. And they can simply come to our marketplace, get these leads, start their co-hosting businesses, and just essentially make it easy for them to, get started in the Airbnb business or short-term, mid-term rental business in general.